Welcome back to the channel, guys. So if you followed my last videos, I was looking at GL1, which is a small cap stock that is exploring lithium land, and if they find stuff, they're bound to multiply multiple times in price. There so is Forestania Resources, recently floated, so they've come to market. So what are they? Yesterday they did a thing where I think NASA flies over and sends a beam down to the earth, and it sends back something. I'll try and find a picture of this. Wait one moment. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so NASA, so this from space, it's called Aster. I'm trying to find the words for it. Aster. Advanced Spaceborne Thermal Emission Reflection Radiometer. So yes, in layman's terms, it fires a beam down, and the beam fires back these signals. So here's a big mine here owned by Wesfarmers, bought out, probably $1 billion mine, and this is their land tenement. So I was thinking, how did they get all this land tenement right in it? This is only kilometers away, 5 kilometers from here to here, about 5 kilometers. So looks like they're probably going to have lithium here, but you'll have to wait and find out. So they're obviously going to drill this now that they've got this, probably drilling it today as I speak. That's one of the basis on this. And what else can I say? I was thinking to myself, why do they have? How did they get this land, and who would sell this land? And why doesn't Kidman Resources or Wesfarmers own this land here? So that's a big lithium mine right there. And they've got the skinny branch here. It's called Goldilocks zone, where the greenstone granite or something meets something. Anyway, where two rocks meet. I'm not a geologist. Anyway, did I say this was a $10 million market cap and 5 million? And they got 5 million in cash to drill. So that's a pretty good thing. You're not really paying much for the land in that case. High risk, high reward. Though if they hit something good, it's going to easily double more with 10 million, even compared to the 31 million of GL1. So anyway, the distal greenstone meets the granite. It's called Goldilocks zone, and it's known for lithium. So what more can I say? Anyway, yeah, they came out yesterday with this announcement. They went up 20%, then came back down, only 2% rise. Got a pretty hot CEO, Melanie Sutterbury. Hopefully she's got brains in there as well. Beauty and brains. So what else can I say? Yeah, so how did they get this land? Like, why would people give up this land? Well, it was sold to them by Firefly, and Firefly just got shares, so it's like me giving it to a mate, say, okay, you can have it, but I want this much worth of shares. So you pretty much own 10% of the company or something like that. So the people who sold them still take a here we are, 12% stake. Anyway, and then they were focusing more. Firefly was focusing more on their gold project, which they see more potential in. I'm not a big fan of gold, to be honest, because we get it out of the ground. Warren Buffett said this: we get it out of the ground to put it in a safe. So we dig it up to bury it again in a safe. Not like lithium is going to go into the Model X, shoot you to 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds. So it seems like a better use of your thing, get your body moving. So anyway, that's a pretty high risk, high reward stock. The risk being I don't know, can't get thing. They don't hit something straight away. Probably should look more into Melanie Sudbury, see what else she's done. Anyway, this is a quick video because I really got to get to work. And just to let you guys know, on Forestania, do your research, but just know they're a lithium stock. They got this thing of land here. They've just done that Aster thing, beamed the thing from space, and the more you deep, the more you know, and you'll find out more than me. So thanks for that, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll probably come back this afternoon and do some more talking about this stock. When I get a chance at work, I'll probably just be reading about it on my phone. Not saying who I work for. Okay, that's it from me, and see you next time.